In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google passwords autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then select All Services, click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I do that, as you can see, my sweater and all of those features are gray. That means that autofill is off, so to switch it back on, hit the same sweater again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!